Hello guys and welcome to FIXtastic Solutions. So today in this video I'll show you how to bypass MI Redmi Note 10 screen pin. Here you can see the device is locked by a screen pin lock. So now I'll show you how you can easily bypass it. First of all, you need to power off your device, and then you need to hold the volume up and the power key together. Keep holding both keys until you see the MI logo. So guys, here you can see now the phone is in recovery mode. From here you have to open wipe data and wipe all data and then confirm it. Now you just have to reboot the device. And that's it guys. Now you have to wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay guys, so our device is now factory restored. You just have to set up your device. And that's it. So guys, that's all in this video. For watching more interesting videos like this, make sure to subscribe the channel. Peace out.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.